This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the 2 or 3 apps you want to arrange. This puts content on screen immediately so you can act. Once they are open, enter Overview with a 3-finger swipe or the Overview key to see all windows. This helps you pick the right pair. Then drag a window to the left or right edge until it snaps, or press Alt plus the left or right bracket to tile it quickly so you have split view ready. Once snapped, make sure to adjust the divider by clicking and dragging it to balance space between apps. This is how you prioritize content. If you need a floating app, choose the thumbnail top center controls to toggle full screen or freeform. This lets you overlay small tools. Also, drag a browser tab out to create a new window when you want separate workspaces, and then snap that new window to create. To finish, practice switching with Alt plus Tab and reposition windows until your workflow feels natural. This cements the layout. If something goes wrong, first close and reopen the offending app, and if that fails, sign out or restart the Chromebook to reset snapped states so windows reflow correctly. Make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled in Settings under Device and Keyboard so Alt plus and work. Adjusting shortcuts fixes most snappiness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.